Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of printing, signing, scanning, and emailing documents back and forth, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Zoho Sign with Zoho Books so you can digitally sign your documents directly inside your accounting system. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up step by step and you'll be ready to sign documents in just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, open your Zoho Books account by signing in through your web browser. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom left corner of your navigation pane. You'll see the settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click that. From the settings menu, scroll and find the option called Marketplace. This is where all the available Zoho integrations live. Click on it to open. Now, inside the Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type in Zoho Sign and hit enter. It should pop up right away. Click on it to open the Zoho Sign integration page. Here's the important part. On the Zoho Sign integration page, simply click the activate button. Zoho Books will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These prompts basically link your Zoho Sign account with Zoho Books. Just follow them step by step and the setup will be complete in a couple of minutes. Once you've activated the integration, you're ready to use it. Now, whenever you generate invoices, agreements, or any other documents from Zoho Books, you'll have the option to send them out for digital signatures directly through Zoho Sign. No more manual handling, no more delays. It's secure, efficient, and legally valid. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoho Sign with Zoho Books. From now on, you can sign and send documents without ever leaving your Zoho Books dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more full 2025 guides just like this one. Also, drop a comment if you've got any questions about Zoho Sign or Zoho Books, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.